Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Durban Dungeon Garage. I'm your host Evan, and today's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be working on my lawnmower, get it working, get it cleaned up, change from motorcycles. So if you wouldn't mind, please give that thumbs up, give us a share, comment, and I will see you in a bit. Enjoy. Right, so here's this bad boy. Got a bit of work to do. Basically what's happened is this cable has obviously come out from somewhere under there. You can see the state of this thing's got old grass and everything, and some stains from bitumen when I did some roofing. So basically I'm going to give this a little bit of a service, a clean up, and try get that cable fixed so we can continue with it. Right, well, here we have it. It's on my workbench. I wanted to bring your attention to all these little stains, and all these stains are from when I did a shed and it dripped bitumen through the roof where the lawnmower was stained, and it's kind of nasty stuff on it. So I'm going to try to figure out how to get that stuff off and clean it up first. Get right under there, get all that stuff cleaned up, and then have a look at everything else, and then once it's clean, have a look at the cable over here that needs to be adjusted and sorted out. I might do a little mini service, see how it goes. But yeah, that's what I've got to do. See how it goes, eh? Great. Right, so what I've tried getting this bitumen off so far is a bit of petrol, Zippo lighter fluid, and WD-40. So far what works the best is WD-40 with a paintbrush. So what I've been doing is spraying a bit of WD-40 onto the end of that, coming over here and just literally scrubbing as best as I can, and it seems to be working. So I've got to spend a little bit of time getting all of that bitumen stain off, wiping it clean, and seeing how I go with it. But basically it is working. It is taking a long time, but I've got to get all these little stains, everything like that, off. Just make it look a little bit better. I've also got some up top here which I'll try look at getting it off as well. If you've got any ideas of better solvents and stuff to use, let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the score. Let's get it to 100 subscribers. That's my aim. Thanks ladies and gents. Catch you later.